I have a reputation for doing good work in medical negligence cases and other personal injury cases, but I always want to caution people that, in fact, I think most doctors do excellent work. And in my career, I've represented far more doctors than I've ever sued. I was trying to count them. I think I've represented at least a dozen psychiatrists. I've represented at least half a dozen anesthesiologists. I've represented sort of uncounted internists and infectious disease guys and whatever. I don't represent them necessarily when they're sued for negligent behavior. The medical malpractice insurance companies have a stable of high-quality lawyers. Let me tell you, they're very well represented. But many doctors who have claims made against them don't want to rely exclusively on that insurance company lawyer. They will hire me privately to look over the shoulder of the insurance company lawyer. I've done that many, many times over the years. But more often, I've represented doctors when they have issues that are unrelated to negligent treatment. Doctors commonly have questions about licensing. The Minnesota Board of Medical Practice, I've practiced many times in front of them, protecting doctors who have had accusations made against them that are incorrect. I've represented many doctors who have had credentialing issues. Either they've applied for credentials and have been turned down for an unwarranted reason, or someone has tried to take their credentials away. And these can be challenging and heart-rending and fact-intensive kinds of cases. And doctors, for all the criticisms we can make out of them from the medical malpractice point of view, really have a tough row to hoe. And they are praying to a lot of gods insofar as they have patients who have unreal expectations and administrators who have unreal expectations and payers who don't want to pay them for it. And then they have very difficult problems. And I've been proud that I have been hired by many, many doctors over the years, and sometimes just for their personal problems. You know, a successful doctor, if his wall falls down, it's a $100,000 wall in North Oaks, not a $500 wall down the block from me. So I just want to say that I have been proud that more of my files that involving the medical profession have been representing members of it than making criticisms of it.